we hung another piece of art right here. And a couple more throughout the apartment, which is really nice. So I have a layering exercise for you. This will involve some type of like matte medium, or you could even use glue or watered down paint, and a Sharpie or a Sharpie pen if you can get like a fine point. You could even use something like nail polish or some type of laminate liquid with a brush, and then pens and colored pencils and anything that can make a drawing or line mark. In this prompt, you should take just one object and try to draw it with the pen. And then I would like you to cover that with your laminate, like transparent fluid that dries and becomes a surface layer, and then use a pen or another type of mark making tool on top of that to continue your drawing. And just keep doing this for about 25 layers. This exercise is more about the duration and the repetition of that action than the actual drawing that you're making. So definitely be free about how you're making marks and what kind of marks you're making. The surfaces are going to change and they're going to force you to act in different ways. So have fun with it. And if you're following along with these little prompts, I'm going to make a bunch more. So subscribe, and I can't wait to see what you make. Use the hashtag earworked on Instagram if you want to share with me.